Happy DC Pride 2023. Almost missed that train. Ready for Pride, you guys. We are here at the parade now and it has just begun. It is loud, so I'll do less talking and more videoing of the parade. Happy Tuesday. Welcome all to Unequivocally Me. It's not a name change, but more like the name of my, kind of like the title of my life, the title of my show, my channel. It's not like instead of being called Matthew or Matt, I want to be called Unequivocally Me. It's more or less the title of my so-called YouTube book. What is that squirrel doing? Sorry, ADHD's kicked in. So right now I'm being somewhat overly ambitious. And what I'm going to be doing is that every week I'm going to try to focus I'm going to be doing 2 vlogs, posting 2 vlogs per week. One that focuses on my life, my average everyday life, and the other focusing on my work, my travels. One of my neighbors just walked past my car and looked at me like I was weird. I'm a little weird. So welcome to the rebrand of my channel. I'm on my way to the store right now, and this vlog is going to focus a bit more on meal prep. And I am putting myself on a different diet, trying to eat a lot less processed food, and I'm trying to see how I can make that work when I go on my trips. Oh, by the way, guess what, everybody? I'm off probation, and I'm turning 40 in 9 days. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to head to Safeway and, yeah, do my shopping and talk about some of the items that I purchased that I'm going to be taking on my trips with me. I don't know what's going on behind me right now. They're in front of my 2 favorite restaurants, Velocity Wings and Asian Garden. But I'm at Safeway now, and I just got off the phone with Diana. I'm gonna see Diana tomorrow. She's one of my best friends. I think she may have been in previous vlogs, I don't know. But we are going to have a belated birthday celebration with her and an early birthday celebration with me. Okay, let's go shopping. I have no idea what's going on. I hope everybody's okay. Non-alcoholic beer. Well, this is my meal prep for next week. I have tuna and salmon packets and Vienna sausages. I have a Planters trail mix, organic buttered popcorn, and Harvest Snaps. Goodness, always losing my phone. Happy Wednesday. It's gross, it's raining, but I'm actually going to go for a run anyway. In the past, I would skip my runs whenever it was raining, strictly for my own comfort. As far as what I have planned today, I'm gonna go for my run, then have lunch, then try to make an appointment to get a couple of vaccinations. I also need to go to the dentist soon, and then possibly call my dad, even though he has a couple of appointments today. So I am gonna visit him tomorrow though. What a day. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead, get ready, and run in this. So as you can see, it's really bad outside, so I think I'm just going to stay in today. All right, never mind. So Crazy Me just decided to go ahead and take a walk. I'm not gonna run in this because it's raining a little too hard, but I have my umbrella with me, so it's fine. Sorry about that. Probably got a really juicy close-up of my mouth, didn't you? Gross, and I'm about to go out in this. Yes, I have Angry Birds on my windows. It is very rainy right now, and I am on my way to go see Diana. It was her birthday, and I have her presents right here. I am still sleepy. I think rainy days do that to me though. But I'm headed up to One Loudon, and we are going to have a combined birthday dinner and do a gift exchange. Excited to see Diana. I have not seen her in what feels like forever. This is a really big bag. It's huge. Hello. Yeah, the bag that your stuff's in is so small in comparison. Let's put them side by side. Look at that.
It's like Mr.
Look at that, side by side.
Pull it all out. I would.
I'm gonna take a video of us cheersing. All right.
Salute.
Salute. Cheers.
So now we know Wednesday night is the place to be.
Yes. I am thinking about that gift.
I know you're such a big,
Let's do that
bag.
gift. Let's do the gifts.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, you've got to see this.
Firefighters.
Wow. Diane, I cannot believe you got me this. This is cute. Yeah, love these.
Pretty cool.
This is nice. Because I'm part Chinese. Pilot's guardian angel, especially for you to guide and protect in everything you do. Happy Thursday, and hope everybody's well today. I'm on my way to see my dad right now, and then afterwards I have to stop at Target and get a travel lunch bag, and then I have lots of laundry to do. I had a fun time with Diana last night. Great seeing her, and just going to keep the day as low-key as possible. Well, I'm still going to be running around, but I'll try to get a little bit of rest before my next round of reserve days. I'll be good for 6 days. Hey all, I'm back. Went out to look for a travel lunch bag and didn't find one that I wanted. Anyway, I wanted to ask all of you to keep a few families in your prayers. A couple weeks ago, there were some houses in my neighborhood that got burned pretty badly. 2 were completely destroyed. I'm not gonna go into too many details right now. I mean, there are a couple of articles about it, but like I said, I'm just going to respect their privacy. One of them is a good friend of mine, not was. Everybody's okay. Everybody survived. Everybody got out, including the pets. But it is going to be a long road ahead. So just keep them in your thoughts. And we are all coming together and helping them out any way that we could. So, yep. All we need are just your good vibes and prayers, like I said. All right, everybody, have a good night. Happy Thursday, and see you all tomorrow.